history class. And now let's start. These are ball sticks. We're getting started. Now let's cut these things and be careful while. This is how the ball looks like. Now we got all the sticks out. Now let's connect them. So this is how to connect. See this? You should put it in one hole. This. Let's put another one then. We'll need to connect this here. Now let's do another one. It might be tough, but put it in this. Now we build. We're almost done with a square. Now just on the bottom. This would be perfect. Oh, got one. Good. Now see, we got one. Now let's put this right over there and build another square. And see, we have one. Now we have an L. Let's connect this now. Now we got two squares. Let's try to make a cube. Now let's go back and get 4 balls. Let's get one stick. We're finished with our cube. Ta-da! Here is the cube, and this is how you can teach your kid with shapes.